Welcome travelers to a new trip report. I am currently on the Italian island of Sardinia, in its capital Cagliari. My flight for today is operated by Swiss International Airlines and I'm gonna fly in business class. Check-in was done very quick because of the separate business class check-in counters. Sadly, there is no lounge for business class customers flying with Swiss, but my flight will leave soon anyways, so I'll straight head to the gate area. The airport is not that huge, so the walking distances are very short. You'll find a duty-free area right behind the security check. Boarding for my flight to Zurich started on time, and it was time to leave Cagliari. This Airbus A220-300 former C series is about 1 year old on the date of travel.
Sorry? Hallo, herzlich willkommen.
I really like the very modern and clean design of this aircraft, and I have plenty of legroom. As the last pieces of baggage are being loaded, it is soon time to start the engines. The crew handed out a bottle of water and a refreshing towel before takeoff.
Nella prima fila dietro la paratia. Vi ricordiamo che su questo volo è vietato fumare. Non è consentito fumare né in cabina né nelle toilette. Durante il volo potrebbero verificarsi turbolenze inaspettate, quindi vi chiediamo di tenere la cintura di sicurezza sempre allacciata quando siete seduti.
Strap. Do not inflate your life jacket until you leave the aircraft. Pull the strap until the life jacket is properly adjusted. If the life jacket does not inflate or need you for your attention.
Für weitere Informationen wenden Sie sich bitte an Ihr Kabinenpersonal. Anweisungen der Besatzung und Vorschriften müssen jederzeit befolgt werden.
Nella prima fila dietro la paratia. Vi ricordiamo che su questo volo è vietato fumare. Non è consentito fumare né in cabina né nelle toilette. Durante il volo potrebbero verificarsi turbolenze inaspettate, quindi vi chiediamo di tenere la cintura di sicurezza sempre allacciata quando siete seduti. Il nostro equipaggio sarà lieto di rispondere a qualsiasi vostra domanda.
As I said, the legroom on this aircraft is very good and the whole seat and the table was very clean. Shortly after departure, the meal was served. It contained a salad, some cheese and a dessert. The meal tasted very good, much better than on other airlines. I chose a cold beer to drink, which was very tasty as well. The crew served coffee and some sweets after the main meal. All in all, it was a very pleasant stay on board, and the crew was super attentive as well. I love the modern seats of this aircraft and I also like the color of them. The seat pocket contained a safety card, a waist bag, a magazine and the board shock magazine. Since we had already been in the air for 1 hour, we began our descent into Zurich. I had a very nice flight with Swiss and definitely can recommend Swiss business class. I'll now grab my suitcase and head home. Thank you very much for watching, like and subscribe to this channel. See you soon in one of my next videos.